how to capture beautiful pictures of plants. Follow these 7 simple tips and you're going to take great pictures even in your backyard.
Tip number 7 is going to get you artistic photos.
Number 1, timing is the key. Try to take the photos very early in the morning or in the late afternoon because the light is softer. Number 2, shoot backlit photos 2 hours before the sunset. Look at this leaf. The light is shining from the back, and I got all the nice textures in the shot. Number 3, expose for the highlights. This means you only want the bright areas to be properly exposed, but leaving the shadows pitch black. Number 4, look for water droplets dripping down a leaf or a curly stem like this. I'll use a needle to add the water if I can't find it naturally. And of course, this is absolutely optional. It's just for me to have some fun. You also need a macro lens or an extension tube to shoot close-up shots. Number 5, use the rule of thirds when you see a subject whose color or shape is standing out from the rest of the group. Number 6, fill the frame when you photograph big plants like the succulents and the dahlia flowers. Number 7, find a simple and uncluttered background. Personally, I love searching for black backgrounds.